Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali, and in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can get the borrow feature on Cash App. A lot of people don't see this option and wonder why it's missing. Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step. We'll talk about who is eligible, why this feature disappears for some users, and what you can do to get it back on your app. Let's get started. To understand this process in detail, we visited this article. This article explains all the reasons and their solutions for why some users are not able to borrow money from Cash App. As we scroll down in the article, the first thing mentioned is whether the Cash App borrow feature is available for everyone or not. It says, no, Cash App borrow is not available for everyone. It is limited to individuals falling into specific eligibility criteria. Those eligible for Cash App borrow typically have a good credit score, reside in a state where Cash App borrow is available, and have a history of responsible borrowing. After that, it lists a few reasons why the borrow feature may not appear for some users. As we scroll further down, the article explains more reasons why the borrow feature might be missing, along with their solutions. It says you don't have a borrow option on Cash App. Reason: if you are unable to borrow money through Cash App, one possible reason could be the absence of the borrow option in your Cash App interface. This situation can arise due to various factors, such as having a poor credit score or residing in a state where the Cash App borrow option is not available. You may be not above 18, also a reason. Then they show a screenshot from the official Cash App website where they got this information. You'll find the link to this article in the description. You can read the article yourself. After that, they mention the solution. The solution to this issue involves a two-step process. First, you should check whether the Cash App borrow option is enabled in the state where you reside. If the Cash App borrow option is not functional in that state, you won't see the borrow option in your Cash App. In such cases, contacting Cash App customer care becomes crucial. As we scroll down further, the article explains that users who don't meet the Cash App borrow eligibility criteria also don't see this option. Look here, under the reasons section they mention, Cash App borrow has specific eligibility criteria designed to ensure responsible lending practices. One primary reason for ineligibility could be that you do not meet these criteria. Cash App extends the borrowing option to users who fulfill certain requirements. Then the article shares the solution to this. To become eligible for Cash App borrow and access the borrowing feature, it's necessary to fulfill the specific eligibility criteria. Here's a breakdown of the criteria and potential solutions. Then they use a table to explain different reasons and their solutions, including: if you are under 18, you won't see the borrow feature. If you don't use Cash App regularly, the option may not appear. If your Cash App account is not verified or your Cash App card is not connected, you might not get access to this feature. If you live in a state where the borrow feature is not available, you won't see it. If your credit history is not good, that could also be a reason. If you want to get this feature back, make sure to meet all the eligibility criteria. Once you meet them, you will be able to access the Cash App borrow feature again.